Morning, guys. We're at the shop. It's a beautiful day. I need you guys to mark the time and date that you watch this because something happened this morning, right now, that has never happened before and may never ever happen again. I just got a check back from my insurance company for $438 because I overpaid them. That's never happened before. I'm pretty excited. That's going to be a really good day. I just know it. And Zach Sheets, look at him smiling. He's even smiling. That means, whoa, Zach Sheets is smiling. That's a crazy day also. This is a big day, guys. We're going to have an awesome day. We're going to rock and roll. The 525 is going to be fixed. I just know it. Very dangerously soon. And the CRF, still waiting on the head pipe. Actually, haven't talked to the customer about that yet. Hopefully that happens here real soon. But I think today, the first thing I'm going to do after I pull the CRF off, because I don't have the head pipe right now, is I'm going to hopefully diagnose this lovely 96 RM250 that has no spark, that these two guys have been working on for months now, putting back together. And after all that, the motor and everything and kind of like restoring it, it doesn't spark. So it's kind of funny. I know, Mike, you're watching this. Hopefully by the time you see this, I will have already called you to tell you I figured out what was wrong and that it was simple and you're good to go. Yeah, guys, gonna be a good day. Let's get on with the daily Shlog. All right, guys, so we got a head pipe, which is awesome. Customer had it just like I thought. He just kind of forgot to bring it down, so no worries, we got it now. I have just finished tightening everything down. Air filter still drying, so that's not in there yet, but that's okay because we're just going to start it up here in the shop and make sure everything's good. Yeah, so here we go. Let's see what happens. Feeling pretty good about this one. Hello? Yeah, sounds awesome. Motor's nice and quiet. Idling good. Pretty happy about that. That is an awesome thing. This thing's been apart for years and in boxes for years. And now it's back together and running. I'm excited. I'm gonna let it idle up here, make sure it's moving coolant. Rev it up a little bit and then we'll put some tires on it because he just, when he dropped off the pipe, he said, like, all right, let's just go ahead and put tires on it. So yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna be a nice fresh motorcycle for this guy. Woohoo! Might need to fiddle with the jetting a little bit. Alright, guys, it's been out of control. The Honda 450 runs awesome though. Just took it for a test ride, super stoked. Now it's time to work on the 96 Suzuki RM250 and see why it's not sparking. The guys that worked on it told me they basically replaced all the electronics on it, but I think, I don't know for sure, but I think I might know what's wrong because I think they ended up getting the stator off of an RMX. Yeah, but the flywheel is off this RM, and I don't know if the air gap is right. That's pretty close. I don't know. Because, so here's the deal. They got a new stator, but it was from like Rick's or something like that, and it has this extra charging wires coming off of it, which this never had. So that makes me think there's something that's not quite right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna peel this thing apart a little bit and see what we can find, and then test some resistances and go from there. All right, guys, so figured out which wires go to which. Red and green are our pulsar coil. Gonna check those guys. And they're offline. So the other red one is this, just to make sure we're not dealing with the wrong red. Oh, well, that works. 102. But feel like, all right, so it looks like I was looking at the wrong red. So that's good. About 102 ohms, that's probably pretty close. Now I gotta look at the charging, or the energizing, so that's gonna be the other red and black. So they both test okay. It's not great, but they test all right. And I don't even know exactly what the specs are, but they're kind of, a lot of these things are about the same. So I'm gonna put this thing back together, and then I'm going to check a few other things, and yeah, go from there. It's one of those things, welcome to the fun of diagnosing weird electrical stuff on old motorcycles. All right, so I got the stator back on, and in checking these things, I always look, the frame on this was just recently painted by these guys or their friends or someone. Anyway, they even did a great job right there. Come on, Barnado. Or Barnado's friend. Anyway, they even painted the plastic, I believe. So, whatever. So that was painted, and I thought to myself, what about the grounds? Because this is how it's supposed to be grounded, is right here. So I looked at that, and I don't think they ground that up. So I am very hopeful that I may have just found their problem that they spent a lot of time looking for. Now, fingers crossed, because this might not be it. I haven't checked it yet. You guys are here for the first check. Pull the spark plug out. Well, the gap on that's not nearly enough. Not nearly enough. That's a little bit scary, like maybe the piston's coming up, but anyway, I'm gonna fix that gap, and then I'm gonna plug it in and kick it and see. But I'm hoping that they didn't have that ground off. That wasn't grounding, therefore it wasn't sparking, because the stator seems to check out. So here we go. No luck. It was worth a shot. So, all right. Well, let's see. Let's unplug the kill switch. Kill switch is unplugged now. Always a good way to check to make sure the kill switch is okay, or it's not grounding out on you. Just unplug the thing. Still nothing. Okay. Now, phone's ringing. Hang on. Pilot Cycles, this is Morgan. All right, guys. Awesome day at the shop. Tons of people picking up machines. Tons of people dropping off machines. Really stoked. Did not figure out quite what's wrong with the Suzuki yet. We're going to go back at that tomorrow. But I want to finish the day with a little bit of awesome mail time for myself. Let me show you what I got. So, this is cool. This is one of the many reasons I love the Wolf Answer Ops vest. Wolf Enduro Answer Ops. Anyway, Wolf Enduro vest that I wear in all my videos. I love it because it's kind of a military style, and it's expandable is the best way. Yeah, that's a good way to put it. It's expandable with additions of cool things. It's called a mole pouch, or it's M-O-L-L-E. Anyway, let me show you something. So the vest is awesome. It holds lots of stuff just the way it is, but it doesn't have like a big pocket up top, which I like. That's why I have these little straps to carry a jacket or whatever. But I can't really carry my drone. I've been wanting to shoot some more videos with the drone out in Peach, but I really don't have a good place to carry it using this vest, because with the water in it and everything else, it kind of just runs out of room. So I've been thinking about, the cool thing is they've got these daisy chains right here. That's where these straps go. But it's also where a pouch like this, you can thread these things through and go on there. Let me show you how it works. It's really, really cool. And I'm just gonna do a couple of them to kind of give you the idea. Take that, slide it. Again, I'm not gonna fully set it up yet, but you guys get the idea. You snap it, then you've got a pouch. So you get that on there, snap down, ready to go. Now you got a pouch. I'm gonna be able to carry my drone for more footage out in the adobes and up in the forest. I'm super psyched. So be ready for some more drone footage. I'm excited about that while we ride. Also, I'll put a link in the description for these things where you can buy them on Amazon. That's where I bought it. It's just on Amazon. I don't sell them directly through the shop. But if you do buy them through my link, I get a little bit of a kickback from it, so that helps. Also, anything you buy, if you go to our Amazon link first, our store first, and then search for anything, whether it be a 72-inch TV or a refrigerator or whatever, I make a little bit of money. It helps the shop. It helps us grow the Gospel of Two Wheels. So that would be very much appreciated. And you get your stuff Amazon Prime, shipped right to your door, super fast or whatever. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me for this. It's a little short slot. Thank you so much for joining me for this short Shlog today. Just had a lot going on, lots of people coming in and out, didn't get to film much. But I really appreciate you. Get out, spread the Gospel of Two Wheels, and please, 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 you got to go ride your dirt bikes!